Right here's our first male off the Sugar Daddy puppies. Sugar Daddy, the Sidewalk Crushers Ladybird. I'm going to show you right now, show you the chest on them. Short backs. We all know how compact Sugar Daddy is. They're going to be perfect clones of Sugar Daddy. Already having great rears. Short muzzles. Blocky heads, the chest shot. Looking like a Granddad Sugar Free. Show you the biggest male Sugar Daddy clone. Chest shot. Look at the bone. Short backness. Pedigree is fire. Puppies come out fire. Look at the muscles on them.
That top skull on that Brennel. That top skull.
These puppies are only 2 weeks old. Just opened their eyes up yesterday. Gonna be very nice pups. Another production from Sidewalk Crusher Kennels.
With Gorilla Kennels.
I'd like to thank Mike for letting us use that badass male Sugar Daddy. We'll be using him again. Proven producer. See the shoulders, short neck. Another production from Sidewalk Crusher Kennels.